Hello everyone, recipe for crispy corn. Here's a simple recipe for making crispy corn, a popular snack that's crunchy and delicious. Ingredients: 2 cups corn kernels, fresh, frozen or canned. 1 cup all-purpose flour, half cup cornstarch, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon paprika, that is optional, half teaspoon garlic powder, optional, water as needed, oil for frying. Instructions. Number 1. Prepare the corn. If using fresh corn, boil it until tender and let it cool. If using frozen corn, thaw it completely. If using canned corn, drain and rinse it. Number 2. Dry the corn. Spread the corn kernels on a paper towel and pat them dry. It's important to remove as much moisture as possible to ensure they get crispy. Number 3. Make the batter. In a mixing bowl, combine the flour, cornstarch, baking powder, salt, pepper, paprika and garlic powder. Mix well. Add water gradually, stirring continuously until you get a thick batter that can coat the corn kernels. Number 4. Coat the corn. Add the dried corn kernels to the batter and mix until all the kernels are well coated. Number 5. Fry the corn. Heat oil in a deep frying pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully drop the batter-coated corn kernels into the oil in small batches. Fry until they are golden brown and crispy, which should take about 3 to 5 minutes per batch. Use a slotted spoon to remove the fried corn and place it on a paper towel to drain excess oil. Number 6. Serve. Serve the crispy corn hot as a snack or appetizer. You can sprinkle some extra salt or your favorite seasoning over them before serving. Enjoy your crispy corn. Thank you.